Hello everyone, this is Rebecca from Aimix Group, which is a leading construction machinery manufacturer in China. Today we would like to introduce our Aimix concrete mixer pump. This kind of mixer pump mainly used for buildings, house, road, bridges, and tunnels. It has the advantage of easy moving, flexible, saving labor, and with high speed. Now let's begin from the power supply system. For the power supply part, we use the Weichai brand engine. You can also change it to Cummins. This is our air cooling system. For the oil pump, we use the Kawasaki brand. Then comes to the aggregate feeding system. Our aggregate hopper capacity is 1 cube. After lifting the aggregate, it is discharged to the mixer drum. The mixer drum capacity is 13 cubes per hour. And after mixing, it will discharge the ready concrete into the pump hopper. The ready concrete will use the pipeline delivery to your work site directly. For the control system, we have two ways to control. Firstly, you can control by the button on the panel directly. Then you can also use the remote controller. My friend, this is our best-selling model. We also have other models. Any interested, you can contact us directly. And you do business, we do safety and quality. Hope to cooperate with you. Thank you.